Hey everybody, Michael from Ducabike and bikeshop.com.au here. Tonight we're going to fit a clutch slave cylinder to my 1198. There's a couple of options for the 1198 and I've just bought the three options here just so you could show you. AF01, sort of the plainer looking style. AF02, it's got the nice little carbon insert. AF03, it's just got that nice little milled finish there. Various other options or various other models, I should say, for various other Ducatis. These are all available in red, silver, gold and black, but tonight we're going to be fitting this black one to my 1198. So let's do a quick unbox and see what is in the packet. Without losing anything. So, 2 copper sealing washers, 3 bolts, 2 ball bearings. Now they are, because this is a universal clutch slave cylinder, they are needed for some models, not all. It's listed in the instructions what they are actually needed for. Slave cylinder itself. Does come with instructions, but this video is also going to serve as an instructional. So we've just drained all the fluid out of the clutch. We cheated a little bit. We've got a vacuum bleeder, but all you'd ordinarily do would just be to get a bit of tube on the top of the bleed nipple here, run it down into a canister or something like that, bottle, and then just bleed the clutch like you'd bleed any other clutch or brake system. So what we need to do is just get all that brake fluid out of the clutch line now, the whole lot. So once we've done that, be it either bleeding or a vacuum bleeder, we're ready to do the next step. So there you have it. That's how to fit a Ducabike clutch slave cylinder to an 1198. Pretty much the same for pretty much everything from 916 onwards. They all run similar systems. Another benefit of the Ducabike clutch slave cylinder is that the clutch pull, Ducabike says 30% lighter, and I believe every bit of it is much lighter than the standard clutch. So thanks very much for watching. Until next time, catch you later.